we'll be starting the topic distribution. The name of the chapter exactly is probability distribution. What's the name of the chapter? Probability distribution. Now what exactly is probability distribution? See here. 1. Consider an experiment. Note all outcomes of that experiment. क्या करो? सब आउटकम नोट करो. Show each event and probability of that event. Okay, so show each event and what? Means you will show all the events and their probabilities. Okay, a table showing all possible outcomes along with their respective probabilities is called as probability distribution table. Now you will require example. Say two dice are thrown. Now when two dice are thrown, what are the possible events? इवेंट्स क्या हो सकते हैं मेरे को बताओ. इवेंट्स हो सकते हैं सम इज 2, सम इज 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ये सम हो सकता है ना. इनकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? 1/36. दिस इज 1/36, 2/36, 3/36, here 5/36, 6/36, then 5/36. You know this? Total is 1. This table is called as what? Probability distribution. Now the events, the events are expressed as a number. Events are expressed as a number. So that events are expressed in terms of a variable, then that variable is called random variable. Okay, इसका भी example देता हूँ. Now here the total will be what? Always 1. पूरा सबका टोटल तो 1 ही होगा. एंड नन ऑफ द प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी नेगेटिव. एक भी नेगेटिव नहीं आएगा ना प्रोबेबिलिटी का. नेगेटिव नहीं होगा. 0 हो सकता है लेकिन नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता है. नाउ व्हाट डू वी डू हियर इज दैट see here, the events may be expressed in terms of a variable, and that variable is called now as what? random variable. That is why you will find in lower standards the name of the chapter random variable and probability distribution. ऐसे बोलते हैं random variable. तो क्या होता है, जैसे देखो, जैसे 2 coins are tossed. तो इवेंट्स क्या है? हेड हेड, हेड टेल, tail head, tail tail. Now these events we convert into a variable called number of heads. क्या? Now number of heads may be, when you are tossing 2 coins, you may have 0 heads, 1 head and 2 head. Okay. Now probability of this we may call as x variable. Now we are not telling head head, we are telling 0 head, that is tail tail. We are not telling head tail and tail head, we are telling 1 head. So the probability here will be 1 by 4, here 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, and total is 1. Now these events are expressed in terms of a variable. Events are expressed in terms of a variable. So that variable is called as random variable. What? Random variable. Okay. Suppose say India and New Zealand play 6 matches. Now the event is India may win 0 match out of 6, or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Now this event India winning 0 match, no match is won by India. 1 मैच जीता, 2 मैच जीता, ज़्यादा में ज़्यादा 6 के 6 जीत लेगा, है ना? 6 में से 7 मैच तो नहीं जीत सकता. तो अब इनकी प्रोबेबिलिटी लिखेंगे हम. Now this becomes what? Winning is an event, but is expressed as a number. So that number becomes a random variable along with the probability distribution. Okay, of course I don't know the probability here. What is the chance of India winning? Okay, follow this?
Yes, sir.
Now here x is a random variable. Now when in a PD, probability distribution, summation of probability of x is 1 and कोई भी P1 xi is greater than or equal to what? 0. ये दो बातें याद करनी है. Follow this?
Yes, sir.
Now with this we will start with some sums. Okay. Now understand what is being done here. This I will come to this later on. Very simple. Now variables can be of discrete type or continuous time. As I told you, variables are there. Variables may be of 2 types. What? Discrete and continuous. Now what are discrete variables? See here. Variables which takes only integral values 0, 1, 2, -1, 3, 4, mostly positive, and integral values. They don't take 1.2, 1.3, so it becomes a which variable? Discrete variable. Continuous variable are variables like age, income, weight. Now here you may have income 100.20 भी हो सकते हैं. You may have age 58.2, 58.25, कुछ भी हो सकता है, पॉइंट में भी आ सकता है कि नहीं. Weight also you can have 62.1, 62.6, 73.6 kgs. Okay.
Yes.
So these are continuous variables. They take any values. Here they will take only what? Integral or integers. Okay.
Yes.
जैसे number of children in a family क्या होगा? Discrete. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 होगा. Population will also be a what? Discrete. You can have population is 68.2. You can have 68.2 millions.
Yes.
But अगर हम देखेंगे ऐसे तो तो एक नंबर है वो, इंटीग्रल वैल्यू है वो. Age income can take any value, so they are called what? Continuous variable. Identify the random variable as either discrete or continuous in each of the following. A page in a book can have at most what? 300 words, no? Yes. X is number of misprints on a page. X is number of misprints. Can it be 3.2? एक पेज में 3.2 मिसप्रिंट्स है, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना. तो इट्स अ विच वेरिएबल? डिस्क्रीट वन. ओके, तो वी राइट हियर डिस्क्रीट. ओके, देन नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स प्रेजेंट इन द क्लास ऑफ 50 स्टूडेंट्स, डिस्क्रीट. ओके, दिस आल्सो डी. आई विल राइट डिस्क्रीट, ओनली डी. A player goes to gymnasium regularly. X is reduction in weight in a month. Continuous. हाँ, reduction in weight कुछ भी हो सकता है ना, पॉइंट भी हो सकता है ना. Continuous. Number of attempts required by a candidate to clear IAS examination. Discrete. Isn't it? Yes. Height of a skyscraper. Continuous. Okay. अगर नंबर ऑफ फ्लोर्स होता था तो हम डिस्क्रीट होते थे. अ सोशल वर्कर इज इंटरेस्टेड इन नोइंग द नंबर ऑफ इलिटरेट्स इन अ ग्रुप ऑफ 1000 स्लम डवेलर्स. अगेन डिस्क्रीट, नो? फॉलो दिस. So this is knowing whether the variables are discrete or continuous. Very small exercise on this. Verify whether each of the following function can be regarded as PMF, probability mass function. Okay. Now see here, I will give the answers directly. Here it's given that what? Here -1 and 0.2. Now this cannot be a negative. Yes. Negative probability नहीं हो सकता है. Total is 1, agreed. Yes. लेकिन p -1 is equal to negative, no? Yes. So it is not a function, है ना? Okay. No, it is not a. First one is not a PMF. It's not a probability distribution. Second sum. 2 is 0.2, 4 is 0.4, 6 is 0.6, and again what? 8 is 0.8, no? Yes. Now this total is exceeding 1 or not? Yes. Total is exceeding 1, yes. It is coming 2. So again it is a function, probability mass function or not a probability mass function? It is not a probability mass function. Okay. Then x minus 1, p of x is x minus 1 by 3 for x is equal to 1 to 3 and 0 otherwise. Now see here, यहाँ पे हमको करके देखना पड़ेगा. X minus 1 by 3, no? Yes. See here, x is 1, 2, 3, no? And p of x क्या है? X minus 1 by 3. So here it will be 1 minus 1 by 3. Here 2 minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 1 by 3. So here it will be 0. This will be 1 by 3. 2 by 3. Now total of px is equal to 1. Yes. And otherwise it is 0, no? 4, 5, everything is 0. Yes. And then for pxy or for all pxy, no? Is greater than or equal to 0. So it's a PM है कि नहीं? Yes. PMF है. क्यों है भाई? सब नेगेटिव एक भी नहीं है और टोटल इज मोर देन 8 equal to 1. From the following probability distribution of x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and p of x is equal to this. It's given it's a probability mass function, no? Yes. When it is a PMF, then the total has to be 1. Yes. So here how much will be the k? 10k equal to 1. 10k is equal to 1. You get 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9. 10k is equal to 1, no?
Yes.
So we'll write this table this way. K, 2k, 4k. K, 2k, 2k, 4k, then again 2k and what is x given? X की वैल्यू क्या दी गई है? 0 1 2 3 and then this total is 10k, no? So 10k is equal to 1, no?
Yes.
So k is equal to 1 by 10. So what do you get here? P of x you get 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 4 by 10, 2 by 10 and 1 by 10. Total is 1. Now what are the next question they have asked?
And the value of k and p of x is
P of x is
greater than equal to 2.
P of x is greater than or equal to 2. तो P of x is greater than or equal to 2 में हम क्या लेंगे?
2 3 4.
ये लेंगे, 2 भी लेंगे, है ना?
Yes.
नहीं ये लेंगे 2, 3 and 4. So P of x is greater than or equal to 2 will be 4 by 10
plus 2 by 10 plus 1 by
7 by 10. फिर उसके बाद क्या?
p of x is less than 3.
x is less than 3. Less than 3 में कौन है भाई?
0 1 2.
0 1 2. So 1 by 10
Plus 2 by 10
plus 2 by 10 plus 4 by 10. Again answer is
7 by 10.
then P of 0 is less than x.
Yes, sir. p of x is greater than equal to 1.
यहाँ पे ये हो गया. P of x is less than or equal to 1, no?
Less than 1.
Less than or equal to 1 में कौन कौन आएगा? नहीं देख लो. Less than or equal to 1 में ये आएगा ना?
Yes.
3 के, no?
3 by 10.
That is 3 by 10. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Third one. A random variable x has the following distribution. 0 to 6 is given. K and 3k, 4k, 8k, 9k, no? 9 and 6, 7, 16, 25. Just check out.
49.
4, 9, 16,
25.
25,
36.
25 and 24. 49, no?
Yes.
49k. Find k. K is 1 by 49.
Yes.
P of x is greater than or equal to 2. You will add all this case.
Yeah.
Obtain the cumulative density function of x. See here, we'll do this sum. What is x? 0 or 1?
0.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and
6.
then k,
3k. 5k. 7k. 9k. 11k. 13k.
ये सब दिया है. अभी this total is 49k.
49k.
Now 49k is equal to 1.
k equal to 1 का sign.
तो क्या आएगा ये?
1 by 49. 3 by 49.
बरोबर.
Yes.
Now what is the p of x is greater than or equal to 2, no?
Yes.
ये पूछा है.
Yes.
तो ये सब ले लेंगे.
Yes.
5/49 plus 7/49 plus
45/45.
फिर क्या पूछा? p of
0 less than x less than 4.
0 less than x less than 4. That is p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3. Huh? 4 we will not take, 0 we will not take because equal to sign is not there.
Yes.
तो क्या आएगा? 3 by no 1 is 3/49 plus
15/49.
plus 7/49. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's it.
Yes.
And cumulative density function CDF. CDF क्या करने का? 1/49 ऐड करने का. cumulative frequency बनाते ना.
हाँ.
फिर
अच्छा.
ये क्या होगा?
9/49.
9/49
16/49.
16/49
25.
49 36/49. Yeah.
49/49.
Okay. Now the PMF of a random variable x is as follows. Fourth one, RV is x is equal to 0. What is the probability? 3k square.
3 into 0 0.
And p of x is equal to 1. 4k minus no. See, they have given the probability function in terms of k. There are only two values which x is to take. No, x सिर्फ दो ही वैल्यू ले रहा है, 0 और 1. See, x takes value 0 and 1. x में कितने p of x क्या है? 4k square.
सर वो तो 1 में 4k square इधर 3k square.
पहले 3k square, no, and then 4k minus
10k square.
10k square, no. Now if you total all this, what do you get? 4k minus 7k square.
सर ऊपर 3k क्यूब है.
क्यूब है?
हाँ सर.
just check it. स्क्वायर है ना?
सर इधर क्यूब दिया हुआ है.
किसमें? टेक्स्ट में क्यूब दिया हुआ है.
हाँ सर.
No. Okay, it is k square. Huh? So what you will do? 4k. Now 4k minus 7k square is equal to 1. No.
Yes.
So you take 0 is equal to 7k square minus 4k plus 1. What is the factors you will take? Now you have to factorize this. It's 3k square and here 4k minus 10k square, no? So 4k minus 7k square is equal to 1. Then you have to find the value of k that way, okay?
Okay.
Now this are problem based on PMF, whether they are PMF or not.